This is Chetan Trivedi and you are watching my channel Life of Middle Class Man. In this channel we are going to take sweet and salty moment of the middle class man life. If you like this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. As you know, now is summer season and the king of fruits, mangoes season is also going on. Mango are not affordable to lower middle class men. And the interesting part is, as special in middle class families, lots of movement happened on the subject of mangoes. So I'm going to take one episode from the life of middle class man. So this is story of a man who is grinding between mangoes and watermelon. So let's get started. Seeing a watermelon shop along the way, I stopped and I kept my Activa standing on the one side of the road. I went to the shop and thought, not even once in this season I have bought watermelon for my family. I don't even know how the late next salary would be. But at the same time thought came that the watermelon season will be over if I wait for long. My family is sensible enough. They will never ask me why dad didn't bought watermelon this season. But I will continue feel guilty whole year.
Middle class families always get stuck in between mangoes and watermelon.
I dared and asked the shopkeeper, what is the price of mango box? He answered 900 rupees. But I will give you rupees 850. 9 kgs of mango will come. And mangoes are from Junagadh and are sweet like sugar. Tell me, how many boxes should I pack for you? I kept talking and I got lost in my thoughts. I have only 2000 rupees in my wallet. Rupees 850 for box of mangoes? No, this should not be purchased. I spoke slowly with myself, yet the shopkeeper heard it. He asked, why are you saying no to mangoes? I changed the topic and said mangoes are raw. I have bought it earlier as well as, and it took 10 days it to become eatable. In my mind, I know I bought mangoes last year. This year, I have not even purchased it once. God only knows when I will buy mangoes for this year. I turned my attention from mangoes to watermelon and I asked the shopkeeper, what is the price of watermelon? He replied, 20 rupees per kg, sir. I got happy. I spoke in my mind, this fits my budget. So I searched for a bigger size of watermelon. I thought in my mind, tomorrow is a Sunday. I will cut the watermelon and put in the freezer tonight. And tomorrow afternoon, we'll eat together with joys and happiness. The shopkeepers spoke loudly, sir, it is weighed 7 kilos. I raised my collar and said him to pack it. I had calculated the total amount in my mind. Let's celebrate the Sundays in rupees 140. With happiness and fulfillment from inside, I took watermelon and reached home. The children were happy seeing the watermelon. My wife gave me a glass of chilled water to drink. While I was drinking it, my little daughter said, Dad, school bus driver had came with school van. My wife interpreted and said, let's dad sit for a while. I understood. He must have come asking for bus rent, which was not paid for 4 months. I felt as if the chilled water turned hot all of a sudden. However, without giving up, I said to my daughter, now if he comes, then give him a mobile number. I will talk with him. There are lots of problems that occur in the life of middle class man. You will get tired solving one problem and very next morning list of ready with another list of problems.
Middle class men have learned many things by facing problem in life.
Now if someone talks about fighting with Corona, then we middle class men started laughing. Something with things, come Corona, let's fight. You shouldn't be left either. On Saturday night, our whole family sat down together to cut a watermelon. As I cut the watermelon from middle into 2 pieces, the watermelon turned out to be like a fortune of the middle class family. The edible part of 7 kilos of watermelon was not even a kilo. The whole watermelon was white from inside. It was raw. Everyone in his house started staring me as I have produced that watermelon. I also looked at God and said slowly, "Oh God, government is making fun of middle class families. And now you are also starting making fun of us too." My wife murmured the shopkeeper cheated with us. I said her, "Darling, our watermelon turned out bad. The shopkeeper didn't cheated us. Even he didn't produce this watermelon." I encouraged my family by saying, "Don't worry, I will bring a new watermelon tomorrow." My daughter said instantly with sad tone, "Daddy, then why you not bring only mangoes instead of watermelon?" I was looking in front of her and thought, how should I explain to her that now even 2000 rupees are not in my wallet? Then my wife spoke to daughter to save my pride in front of her. This time we should not eat mangoes because of corona. I stood up, looking at the watermelon with wet eyes. I looked at the idol of God placed in the temple. I spoke in my mind, "Oh God, either make me become a beggar or rich, but don't keep me hanging in between. You only answer my little girl now. Should we eat mangoes or not this season?" Suddenly, the doorbell rang. I opened the door. A man was standing with the box of mangoes in front of me. He said, "Is it Trivedi sir house?" "Yes, tell me," I said. "This is your box of mangoes and put your signature on the slip." I saw this time the credit society of our office and sent 2 boxes of mangoes instead of interest. Looking in front of the God, I spoke, "Please say truth, my God. Did you send this box?" Joy filled in our house. My little daughter said, "Dad, don't eat mangoes. That's what mom was saying to me now." I turned my hand on her head and said, "I have sprayed a special medicine and ordered it only for you." My wife and I looked at the idol of God with wet eyes and said, "God, this middle class lives only on your trust. An atmosphere is getting created where our faith on you is getting shaken." I said with smile on my face, "Oh God, this is your test? I will lose, but will not give in. I am victorious. Even if I fail today, tomorrow is still mine, and I will win whatever situation you bring."